Want to incorporate cinematic aerial footage into your project? Here are some quick tips to get you started. Videographers can place their camera and get their shot basically anywhere they want, without blowing up the budget. But to make your drone shots feel unique, you're going to want to keep some things in mind. Let's start with the obvious. Be overly prepared. You're going to want to pack extra batteries and propellers before you leave to shoot. The batteries have a shorter lifespan than you expect, and you won't want your day to be ruined by a chipped propeller. Next, ND filters are a simple, surefire way to improve your footage. They'll give you realistic motion blur if you're moving quickly and prevent flickering. Drones are a great way to add energy and variety to your project. So if there's one thing to remember, it's that you should use them to the max of their potential. But if you're going to push your drone to the edge, you're also going to need memory cards that can handle the pressure. That's why ProGrade's ultra-durable microSD V60 cards are the perfect fit. Like this video for more quick tips so you can create with confidence.